ICT Microsoft Office Word Part 3. In that video we will talk about the differences between line spacing and spacing after and indentation. At first, let's talk about line spacing. If we select the first paragraph, okay, we can adjust the line spacing. What is the line spacing? Space between two lines. As you can see, we can make the spacing change it when we will change the line spacing. It's single, double, and triple. The space between two lines become larger. So now we can find the spacing between lines, change it. Okay, that is the line spacing, the space between two lines in the same paragraph. Now we will talk about spacing after. Spacing after, we can adjust it from that launcher, and we can make spacing after, for example, 10 point. What is the spacing after? Spacing after is the space after each paragraph, or as we said, when you press dot or full stop and start from the next line, we can call it as the spacing after. So now we can see a spacing after changed because we can find here we pressed enter. Let's make the font size larger. That symbol means that you press on enter, so we can find the space after when we press enter. So the spacing after, we can make it larger, so we can find now the spacing after the enter become larger. So we have difference between line spacing and spacing after. Okay, so line spacing, space between two lines in the same paragraph, but spacing after is the spacing after each paragraph. Okay, now let's talk about indentation. What is the meaning of indentation? Let's make the font alignment just fine. Let's make indentation for the first paragraph. We have indentation before and after. Let's make it 1 centimeter before and 1 centimeter after. Press OK. Now you can see we have 1 centimeter before the paragraph and 1 centimeter after the paragraph. Let's make it another number. 3 centimeter before and 3 centimeter after. So we can find we have indentation before and after. So we have line spacing, space between two lines, spacing after each paragraph, and we have indentation. We can make it before or after the text, or on right and left.